Welcome to Your Dreams YouTube channel, dear student. As most of you might already be aware that some top Italian universities ask for a TOLC score to provide you an admission in engineering, economics, pharmaceutical or associated technical courses. So here we are as your one-stop solution to all your study abroad queries, and we have made this video today to help you out with your TOLC registrations. So first of all you have to do is search for CISIA on Google, which is CISIA. The first link will take you to the CISIA homepage, wherein you have to select the left available option, which is the option that takes you to the CISIA exam booking portal. On the portal, you can see many available options like username and password, but since we are not already registered, so you're going to choose the option which says register now. You have to fill in your basic personal details as visible on your screen right now. You'll fill in your first name, your last name, your gender, your date of birth, your country, and now your fiscal code. Since you're an international student, you already don't have an Italian fiscal code. You can generate one online, of course, but since there is an available option of I do not have a fiscal code, so we will go ahead with that option instead of generating a code. After that, ensure that you fill in your email address correctly, because all the further communication will be done via your email. Next on, you need to choose a username for yourself. Ensure that your username only consists of alphanumeric characters, and that too only lowercase characters. To proceed with your higher education, you need to select the 3 dots present below the option. Clicking on the 3 dots, you will be taken to this new page wherein you have to first select foreign country and then other as the option to the next 3 questions, and then done. Finally, you have to fill in your phone number. Add your phone number with the correct country code. After that, you need to scroll through all these requirements and terms and conditions. You need to read through them very carefully and then select yes. Post that, you will be required to upload a photograph of yours in the approved formats. So upload a photograph, resize the photograph according to the format, and then you can proceed to the further step. Once you conclude this much, you will be required to open your email address, because CISIA will send you an email with your new generated username and password. You'll go back to the CISIA page, follow the same steps, but this time instead of clicking on the registration hyperlink, you'll enter your username and password in the designated section. Copy the username and password and fill it in the designated section, and then click on sign in. After signing in, you'll be taken to your profile where you will have this option of book a TOLC. Now, you need to ensure that you book the right TOLC test. As you can see, there are many options available on your home page, but understand that you need to take the TOLC English exam, because the other exams available here at the top, these will be conducted in Italian. So we'll be applying or registering for TOLC English exam. Now here, TOLC I is for engineering courses, TOLC E is for economics, and TOLC F is for pharmaceutical courses. You can simply check the university application portal and you'll get to know which English TOLC you have to take. Select the right English TOLC option, and then you will be provided with 2 options of either TOLC at a particular location or TOLC at home. So you need to choose TOLC at home, click on that and proceed to the next page. Very clearly read through all the terms and conditions and information provided here to you, and then click yes, because here on this page the information is provided as associated to the setup that you need to have ready at home in order to take TOLCs at home. Now clicking on yes or agree, you'll be taken to the next page wherein you have to select the payment option, which is credit card or debit card. After that, you need to select your TOLC location. Now this is a very important step, guys. You need to open another window wherein you have to write TOLC available dates. On the second or third link, you will find CISIA TOLC calendar, wherein you can scroll down and see the available dates for English TOLC exams. We'll be checking for engineering exams, and here you have the entire calendar in front of you. As you can see, most of the dates are already booked, so you have to book very well in advance. And we have 2 dates available at University of Trento. Now, you don't have to take TOLC at the particular university where you are applying to. You can take a TOLC test anywhere and the score will be acceptable in all the universities throughout Italy. Now that we know that University of Trento has available dates for TOLC English engineering test, so here in the region option we'll choose Trento or the region where Trento is located. Next on, as the location, we will choose University of Trento, of course, which is the only option available here. And as dates, as we already saw in the calendar, there are 2 dates available, so we'll choose one of these 2 dates. Clicking on the date, we'll finalize this page and we'll be taken to the final page wherein you'll confirm your TOLC exam booking. Herein, you will be asked to upload some of your additional documents. Upload the required documents and then you will be at the final page. You will be taken to the payment portal. You will be required to fill in your card details and make the final payment. Once you're done making the final payment, your TOLC exam will be booked. All the details will be sent to you via the registered email address. So now all you have to do is check the TOLC syllabus online and prepare accordingly. So here is all the information regarding TOLC registration. Please keep few points in mind. Registered well before time. You don't have to take the TOLC exam in the particular university where you're applying to. Take the test or book the test for the university that has available dates. Ensure that you fill in the right email address. So guys, happy prepping. We hope that you prepare well, that you score well in TOLC and you get your dream university. Please ensure that you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for further information. Your likes and comments will motivate us to do better. All the best, you're a dreamers, fly high.